welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know, my name is my mirror just fell down. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know, my name is Kaino, and I'm here to make you laugh. As you can read by the title, I'll be doing a twerking while pregnant on Monkey. If you don't know what Monkey is, it's an app where you can connect to people, talk to people, make new friends, text, chat, any of the sort. So I'll be leaving the link to my Monkey in the description below. Also, I'll be leaving my social medias in the description below. I just want to say my last video was a few months ago. It was okay, I guess. Some people didn't like it because I got like 5 dislikes. Ugh. And 4 likes, so whoever liked it, 8 times out of 10, 9 times out of 10, the videos that I make, it's only for fun. Like, take none of it serious. Sometimes I like making people laugh. Nothing wrong with that. I got like over 200 views, so that's nice. Like, I'm hyped. Like, I don't know what I'm doing, and 200 people actually viewed it, or like people viewed it. Like, damn. I didn't even like send the links out or nothing. Like, I just let it. I left it there. I'm thankful still. I'm just here to make people laugh. If you want to see more videos, comment what you want to see. You can text me on my social medias. I'll reply. I'm really nice. I'm just funny. I'm hilarious. If you know, like, if you really know me, I'm a goofball. So
okay.
I really like making people laugh.
Okay.
But yeah, please don't take my video serious. Well, most of it. I'm just, you know. As you can see, I'm just wearing a regular t-shirt, plain tee with some cut leggings, and it's black. And I'm just gonna find like old clothes to like put up in my top and see how many reactions we get. Hopefully people laugh. If you don't laugh, then I don't know what to tell you. But no, hopefully people do laugh. Let's get right into the video. That hurt.
And when y'all wear a regular shirt, she shaking her ass, bro. On game.
You like it?
Whoa! Nah, I'm straight. I got me a girlfriend. A whole girlfriend.
Wait, hold on.
Yo. I like that.
You do?
Yeah.
Aw.
Wow, you're pregnant.
Okay. So, you know what I just realized? I was not even screen recording it, guys. Oh my god. What am I doing? Let's get into the video. Okay. Take 3. What?
Oh, what? You're wilding. You're wilding.
How?
You're wilding. You told me? You need some?
What?
What happened?
Oh, okay.
Oh, alright, alright.
You like it?
Yeah.
Hey. Why you got quiet? You like it?
Yeah, I guess. I don't know. Hey, 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 hey.
You like it?
Yeah, sure. Keep twerking, keep twerking.
Keep talking? Hey.
Hey, hey, follow me. We gonna twerk. We twerk together.
What? These is...
Shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it.
You like it?
It's good.
Oh, nothing. I'm tired. I'm not getting the reaction on what?
Hey, hold on, okay? Sorry, hey, sorry. Hey,
Hey, hey, hey.
are you pregnant too?
Yeah.
Let me give you a baby too. Stop playing.
Yeah. You need that.
Well, what's you shaking ass? Had time to take it off.
You said what?
Had time.
Add time. Okay. For what?
You pregnant?
Okay.
Hey, what it do, baby? Okay, drug that ass, girl. I see you wearing a little something
You
back
like
there.
it?
What?
Huh?
What you said?
I said you like it?
Yeah, I like it, girl.
What? You don't see this?
Oh, shit. You retarded.
You like it? You was so weak.
Yeah, okay, okay. Bro, you better not be a nigga, because I'm getting kind of hard.
I'm not a nigga.
Yo, you pregnant?
Okay, and
Yo, what? What's up? My man's up. Maybe that nigga tripping, bro. Bro. That little nigga goes, and free, yeah. Now, hell no, she ain't pregnant.
yes, I am. This looks so real. I think. The connection is so bad. What's funny?
Oh my god.
What's funny? 6 minutes over.
Let me just drop. Hey, let me get a drop. Twerk, 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 twerk that ass. Twerk,
You said you
twerk,
want a
twerk,
what?
twerk, twerk, twerk. No, we ain't doing one of this.
What?
Twerking. What is that? That's fat. You make
What you mean, what is that?
That's what I'm talking about, man. Hey, add time.
You said add time?
Mm-hmm.
For what?
Or follow me at time. Do one of them.
Okay. Shit, I'll follow you. Psych!
Hey, yo, this is not, this is not how you think about daily dating. Like shaking ass, that shit stinks like all ass. Let me see.
What things?
Oh, shit. This bitch, yo, ain't no way you really pregnant, cuz. You be wiggling.
Bro. But you won't. Excuse me.
Boo.
What you mean, who? I gotta take it easy.
Oh, okay, I see you got a baby.
Yeah. He said boo. You waited that long just to skip. What are you doing? Ew, what?
Oh my god, yes. Thank you, finally.
You like that?
Smash
like
to
it?
my You pregnant too?
Yeah.
Oh my god, you great.
Bro, what? How am I great?
That's right.
What?
What? Yeah, what a nice poster.
What? He bypassed me and was like, oh, nice. What a nice poster. Oh, shit.
You think? Let me see you twerk. Let me see you work. Put in that work.
I'm tired. Whew.
Oh, that's good exercise.
How? I'm not getting the reactions I want.
Oh!
You said add time? What? I don't really add time.
Add some time.
You said what?
Add some time.
For what?
What you mean for what? Stop what you doing. Add some time. Or get the fuck.
Bro, do y'all not see this? Oh, you like that?
That's fake.
No, it's not. He said that it's fake. No, it's not. I can't tweet. I said the same thing. Oh, he's skipping it. I'm tired. That was funny. That was so funny.
Okay, Sean, got you a little something move back there.
Hey, you like it?
Yeah, add some time.
You said what?
I said add some time.
Add some time. Bro, are y'all blind?
Oh, hey, I did see you there. Well, damn, hold on. Hey, hold on. Add time.
You said what?
Add time.
Add time.
Yeah, hold on. First.
Okay. I don't got time to. I like him. Hey. Hey. What? You like it?
Of course, it's good.
You said what?
I said it's good.
Oh, nothing.
What show is that? In fact, I can watch that show. On YouTube. Hey, for that ass. Hey, this nigga.
You like it?
Are you breaking?
Yeah.
How many months?
5. Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, I gotta take it easy. What you mean?
Cute little booty, but still.
What? That's not the point of the video.
Shit, how you know? Oh,
Who said I got no ass?
she's pregnant. You pregnant?
Who said I got no ass?
Are you?
What thing? What thing? Oh, you sick? Aw. Alright, I think that's enough.
You can play basketball, don't you? Hey, who that? Hey, hold on now. I'm about to get this. Hold on.
What you about to get?
Oh. Hey, hold up. Ooh.
Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun doing it. Oh no. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. That was really loud, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun doing it. I had to take off that shirt. It was hot. I was sweating. That video was a lot of fun. The reactions were good, hilarious. Well, some people were, others were, I don't know. Comment below what you guys want to see next. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.